Good morning students. In last class we have discussed about how to do addition of a fraction and subtraction of a fraction, and we have solved few worked examples. In today's class we are going to solve exercise 2.1. See, first question I took only few questions in this. Okay, see a solution. First one, 2 minus 3 by 5. Okay, see here, I told you how to do subtraction of a fraction. In that we have learned how to do subtraction of a fraction for like fractions and subtraction of unlike fractions. See here, first see, these are unlike fractions. Yes or no? 2 by 1 and 3 by 5 are unlike fractions. First we have to convert into a like fraction. To convert into a like fraction, what we have to do? We have to take the LCM. Okay, see here. What is the LCM of? What is the LCM of 1 and 5? LCM of 1 and 5 is 5. Okay, see here. 2 by 1. 1 how much are 5? 1 5s are. Multiply both numerator and denominator by 5. Minus 3 by 5. Here 5 how much are 5? 5 1s are 5. Therefore, multiply both numerator and denominator by 1. See here. 2 5s are 10. 1 5s are 5 minus 3 1s are 3, 5 1s are 5. Now see, now we are converted into a like fractions. Yes or no? Now how to subtract a like fraction? We have to subtract the numerator keeping the denominator same. What is 10 minus 3? 10 minus 3 is 7. It is 7 by 5. The first answer we got 7 by 5. Next we will see third one. Third one is 3 by 5 plus 2 by 7. Okay. Now see, these are also unlike fractions. 3 by 5 is also a 3 by 5 and 2 by 7 are unlike fractions. Yes or no? First we have to convert into a like fraction. Take the LCM of 5 and 7. What is the LCM of 5 and 7? 5 1s are 7 you keep as it is. Here 1 7 1s are. Therefore LCM is equal to 5 into 7. That will be 5 7s are 35. LCM is 35. Now see, 3 by 5. 5 how much are 35? 5 7s are. Yes? Here multiply both numerator and denominator by 7. Here plus is there. Plus 2 by 7. Now see, 7 how much are 35? 7 5s are. Multiply both numerator and denominator by 5. 3 7s are 21. 5 7s are 35. Plus 2 5s are 10. 7 5s are 35. What is 21 plus 10? 21 plus 10 is 21 plus 10 is 31. It will be 31 by 35. Okay, this is about second one. Now we will solve fifth one. Now we will solve fifth one. 7 by 10 plus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 2. See, these all are what? Unlike fractions. First we will convert into a like fraction. See, take down the LCM of 10, 5, 2. 2 5s are 10. 5 will keep as it is. 2 1s are 2. Now we will take 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 1s are here 1. LCM is equal to 2 into 5 is 10. What is the LCM of 10, 5 and 2 is 10. Now see here. We'll solve here. Is equal to, okay, 7 by 10. The LCM is what, student? 10. 10, how much is our 10? 10 ones are. Therefore, multiply both numerator and denominator by 1 plus 2 by 5. 5, how much is our 10? 2. Multiply both numerator and denominator by 2 plus 3 by 2. 2, how much is our 10? 2 5s are. Multiply both numerator and denominator by 5. Now see here. 7 ones are 7. 7 by 10 plus 2 2s are 4. 4 by 10 plus 3 5s are 15. 15 by 10. Now you do 7 plus 4 plus 15 by 10. 7 plus 4 is what? 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 plus 15 is, it is 26. So here 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 plus 15 is 26. The answer is 26 by, okay, the answer is 26 by 10. So this can be written as 2 5s are 2 12s are. Yes, 12 by 5 also. Okay, answer we got 12 by 5. Now we will see 7th one. Now we will solve 7th one, that is 8 integer 1 by 2 minus 3 integer 5 by 8. So this is in mixed fraction. What we do? This mixed fraction, first we have to convert into a improper fraction. Okay. So we will convert this into a, first we will convert this into a what? Improper fraction. So how to convert a mixed fraction into improper fraction? See here. Whole number multiply by denominator plus numerator divided by denominator. Here minus is there, no? Minus. Again convert this into improper fraction. Whole number into denominator plus numerator divided by denominator. So what it will become? 8 2s are 16 plus 1 by 2 minus 8, 3 8s are 24 plus 5 by 8. 16 plus 1 is 17 by 2 minus 24 plus 5 is 29 by 8. Now see a student, this is in what? These two fractions are in like fractions or unlike fraction? Unlike fraction. Convert them into like fraction. What we will take? LCM of 2 and 8 is, what is the LCM of 2 and 8, students? 2, 8. 2 ones are 2, 4s are 8. Here LCM will be 4 2s are 8. LCM of 2 and 8 is 2 into 4 is equal to 8. Now see here, 17 by 2. 2 how much are 8? 2 4s are. Multiply both numerator and denominator by 4. Minus 29 by 8. Now see here, LCM is 8. 8 how much are 8? Ones are. Multiply both numerator and denominator by 1. 17 4s are. What is 17 4s are? 68. Yes? Here LCM is 8. 29 ones are 29 by 8. What is 68 minus 29? 68 minus 29. 18 minus 9 is 9. 5 minus 2 is 3. Here it will come 39 by 8 minus 39 by 8. Okay. Now see here, we will convert this into a mixed fraction. Okay. So we will convert into a mixed fraction. How to convert improper fraction into a mixed fraction? Divide the numerator by the denominator. First step. First step is divide the numerator by denominator. Now 8 4s are 32. 9 minus 2 is 7. 3 minus 3, 0. So what is the rule at all? Quotient. Quotient is 4 plus remainder by denominator, or this can be written as 4 integer 7 by 8. So 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 7, 39. 39 by 8. So this can be written as, okay, this can be written as 4 integer 7 by 8. Okay. So this is about the 7th main. Now we will see the next main. See here, the second main tells us that arrange the following in descending order. See here, 2 by 9, comma 2 by 3, comma 8 by 21. See here, to convert this into a, we have to arrange this in a descending order. To arrange this in a descending order, these fractions are in what? These are in like fractions. These are like fractions or unlike fractions. So these are unlike fractions. Okay. First we will convert this into like fractions. Okay. See a solution. Given is 2 by 9, 2 by 3, 8 by 21. First we convert all the fractions into what? Like fraction. We will convert this in like fraction. So to convert this into a like fraction, first we have to take the LCM of 9, 3, 21 is. So see what is the LCM of 9, 3 and 21. 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21, 3 1s are, okay, 7 here as it is. Next 7 1s are. What is LCM? LCM of 9, 3, 21 is 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. 3 3s are 9. 9 7s are 63. LCM is 63. Okay, we'll convert this into like fraction. 2 by 9. Say 9 multiplied by what will get 63? 9 7, no? 9 7s is 63. 2 here, multiply both numerator and denominator by 7. 2 7s are 14. 9 7s are 63. Next is 2 by 3. Say 3 how much are 63? 3 21s are. Yes or no? Multiply both numerator and denominator by 21. 2 21s are is 42 divided by 3 into 21 is 63. Next is 8 by 21. 8 by 21. What we have to multiply here? 3, no? 21 3s is what? 21 3s is 63. Okay. 8 3s are 24. 21 3s are 63. Now see. Now descending order means what? Descending order means bigger to smaller. Yes, bigger to smaller. Now see. Here these all are like fraction. 14 by 63, 42 by 63, 24 by 63 are in like fractions only. Now see. Here in numerator you see what we got? 14 by 63, 42 by 63 and 24 by 63. Now see here, which is the bigger here? 42. Yes or no? Here 42 is bigger. Means first 42 by 63. Okay. Afterwards, which is bigger here? 24. 24 by 63. Afterwards, 14 by 63. Okay. Say if denominators are same, we have to compare the numerator. In numerator, which fraction have bigger number? No, that fraction is only bigger. We will write now. Since 42 greater than 24 greater than 14. Yes. Now see, therefore 42 by 63, no, here 42 is bigger first, means here 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is greater than 24. It is 8 by 21 bigger than 2 by 9. Is it understood? First we have to convert into like fractions. Afterwards we got fractions. And that fraction we have to see the numerator. In numerator, which is the bigger value? No, that fraction is only the bigger. And we have gone what? Comparing. Now we will see the third main. Now see student, the third question. In a magic square, the sum of the numbers in each row, in each column and along the diagonals is the same. Is this a magic square? We have to tell whether is this a magic square. Okay. Magic square means the sum of the numbers in each row, in each column and in the diagonal, the sum should be same. That is called magic square. Now they are asking, is this is a magic square? See your solution. Okay. Along the first row, sum is equal to, okay, we will find out the sum. We will see whether this is a magic square. Once more I will tell you, magic square means the sum of this all row and sum of this all column and sum of the diagonal should be same. That is called magic square. Now we are checking is this is a magic square. Okay. So along the first row sum we will find. Okay. 4 by 11 plus 9 by 11 plus 2 by 11. See student, these are like fractions. Add this. 4 plus 9 plus 2. These are like fraction. No, we are going to add only numerator, keeping the denominator same. Okay, what is 9 plus 4? 13. 13 plus 2 is 15. It is 15 by 11. Now, along the second row, sum is equal to, what is that? 3 by 11 plus 5 by 11 plus 7 by 11. Okay, 11 will keep here because these are like fractions. We are going to keep the denominator same. What is 5 plus 3 plus 7? 5 plus 3 plus 7. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 by 11. Okay. Now we will see along the third row. Along the third row, sum is equal to, okay, 8 by 11 plus 1 by 11 plus 6 by 11. Okay, now see, we will keep the denominator. Okay, we will keep the denominator same, and 8 plus 1 plus 6 is, 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 6 is 15. This is 15 by 11. Okay. Now we will see along the first column. Now we will see now along the first column, sum is equal to 4 by 3 plus 3 by 11 plus 8 by 11. Sorry, it is 4 by 11, right? 4 by 11 plus 3 by 11 plus 8 by 11. See, denominator is 11. Now we will add the numerator. 4 plus 3 plus 8. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 8 is 15. 15 by 11. Now we will see along the second column. Along the second column, sum is equal to 9 by 11 plus 5 by 11 plus 1 by 11. Denominator is 11. Now we will add the numerator. 9 plus 5 plus 1. 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. It is 15 by 11 along the second column. See here, everywhere it is 15 by 11. Now we will see along the third column. along the third column. Now say it will be 2 by 11 plus 7 by 11 plus 6 by 11. Denominator is 11. Add the numerator 2 plus 7 plus 6. 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. 15 by 11. Okay, see in column also we got same answer. Now we will see the diagonal. Okay, along the diagonal, sum is equal to, see here, 4 by 11 plus 5 by 11 plus 6 by 11. 4 by 11 plus 5 by 11 plus 6 by 11. So we will keep the denominator 11. 4 plus 5 plus 6. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. 15 by 11. Along the diagonal we got sum. Say one more diagonal is there, no? Here. That also we will do. Sum is equal to 2 by 11. 2 by 11 plus 5 by 11 plus 8 by 11. See here, denominator is 11. 11. Now see here, 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 8 is 15. See, everywhere we got the answer 15 by 11. Yes or no? Along the row also we got 15 by 11. Along the column also we got 15 by 11. Along the diagonal also we got 15 by 11. Therefore, what we can tell is this is a magic square? Yes, this is a magic square. Therefore, sum of each row, each column and diagonals are same. Sum of each row, each column and diagonals are same. Therefore, it is a magic square. Okay. In row also we got same answer. In column also we got same answer. In diagonal also we got same answer. Therefore, this is a magic square. Okay. So in the next questions we will solve in the next class. Thank you.